refuse. Told you. Said alright.
Go and catch that musky that Dad keeps catching. I bet you there's tons of bass in there. Fish fast. You can't fish bass.
Go far that way, go all the way around there.
So let's
Yeah.
go.
It's really.
That's
Yeah, this.
Right here, Wayne.
It's really long.
Right here.
The big
this
lake.
Putting
This.
on it. Look how hard this paddle. The boat's still moving.
Okay, we're gonna see if it'll work.
Now no traveling. You risk finishing the battery and my muscles.
What are you doing with your muscles?
I have to catch a thing now. No, I have to catch.
Take your time.
You could have something on it, snacks. One of the weeds, something. Either way, there's something. Might be weed snack. Keep reeling it. There, weeds.
How do you know?
Because they came off your hook. See how it got lighter?